Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RAIHANA binti HAMZAH, student ID 2020-859-466. I am from group CS2554A and I'm gonna present about my IoT mini project that is smart microscope. So the problem statement for this project is that during this pandemic, one of the biggest challenges students are going through is they have not been receiving face-to-face teaching, and they also cannot access to laboratory facilities, which is very limited, and some academies are concerned that students may miss out on practical and problem-solving abilities, as well as be unable to determine whether the hands-on job of a scientist is a suitable fit for them. Next, another problem is microscopes are very expensive and students cannot afford to get one. Because most students have limited finances, using a microscope in their studies may be detrimental. Next, the objective of this project is the main objective of this microscope is to let students self-learn and self-explore during ODL sessions. Students can simply use the microscope whenever and wherever they want, as it is easily accessible as long as there is an internet connection. Next, this smart microscope's objective is to create collaborative learning by sharing images through online platforms. Students can simply share their lab results to lecturers through Google Classroom or even UFuture, or they can also share it to their friends or family members as a part of the learning process. So in this project demo, we can see that whenever the LDR is dark, the LED will switch on. So a microscope needs a bright light in a dark place to observe the sample.
For the microscope, the breadboard and also the ESP32 camera is attached to the box to create a dark place, and you can see that the ESP32 camera is connected with a magnifying glass so that the picture can be largened and to create a clear image of the sample.
This is the result from the ESP32 camera. We can observe that there's a microorganism in the leaf, and we can also see the cells of the leaf.